Best Backup Mirror Camera. We review top 5 best backup mirror camera. Pyle PLCM38FRV. If you're on a tight budget, the Pyle PLCM38FRV is an adequate backup camera that you can buy for about the price of a multi-topping pizza. In pretty much every aspect, this camera is just okay, providing a usable image with fair color accuracy. But it avoids some of the flaws we saw in other, more expensive cameras, such as low light static, weird color casts, and blown-out images in bright sunlight. The Pyle model has better dynamic range at night than in bright sun. But otherwise it consistently did the job in all of our testing. If you choose to use the center mount bracket, you'll need to bend the bracket to aim the camera properly. Or you can drill a hole to mount the camera right into your trunk lid. Look at wireless rear vision system. If you want something that's easier to install, the Look at wireless rear vision system doesn't require any wiring. The battery-powered camera, embedded in a custom license plate frame, transmits video via Bluetooth to any iOS or Android device, presumably sitting in a smartphone car mount. However, it's not as seamless to use, as you must activate the camera using a remote that you mount to your car's dash or steering wheel. Video appears on the phone's screen within a couple seconds. Esky ES-15. If your car has a built-in display, the XL camera may be able to connect to it either directly or with an adapter module. Otherwise, we found that the Esky ES-15 4.3-inch display is the best value available. Despite a relatively low resolution of 480x272, the Esky had the best color reproduction of any display we tried. Others had too little saturation. It's bright enough for use during the day but still has enough contrast at night for you to make out details. You can mount the Esky display on your dash or windshield, or even upside down at the top of the windshield if you prefer. And unlike fixed displays, it has a tilting arm that lets you adjust the viewing angle. This feature is nice for a single driver but crucial if two people of different heights share a car. Auto-vox T1400. If you don't want a separate display on your dash or windshield, you might prefer the Auto-vox T1400 over the Esky display. The Auto-vox model, which replaces your car's original rear-view mirror, has an integrated screen that appears on the left half of the mirror when you put your car in reverse, disappearing otherwise. In our tests the display looked great on cloudy days and at night. And it was clear enough to be useful on brighter days, despite some glare. The Auto-vox display is compatible with most car models, but it's pricier than the Esky display. Pruveeo D700. The Pruveeo D700 is our pick for best rear-view mirror dash cam of this year because it combines a lot of useful features into an affordable package. It's made by a reliable company who is known for quality dash cams across all styles. And this model consistently earns high review scores from professionals and consumers alike.